Welcome to how to fix no internet error due to MAC address on Windows 11. Follow these steps to fix. This is my computer and it has no internet. And this is its MAC address. MAC address is also known as physical address. To fix this error, you change the physical address of the computer. ncpa.cpl. Properties. Configure. Advanced. Network address. You change the physical address here. To come up with a new physical address seems complicated, so I recommend you just change a little bit of the old physical address. For example, I changed my physical address as follows. I only changed the last character. I changed from 5 to 6. I only changed a single character, but I got a new physical address. You apply the change and check the result. It seems okay. Use command prompt to diagnose internet connection. Connected. Here are the steps to fix no internet connection on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.